Hello, everyone. Welcome to HOR 118-920K Equipment Ops and Maintenance course for summer semester 2021. My name is Eric Jones. I will be your instructor for the course. So if you want to go ahead and print off your course syllabus and your course assignment schedule, that'll make this video a lot shorter and quicker for you. We will meet on Wednesday mornings at 8 o'clock and have our labs up until 9:30. So we're going to meet once a week for lab, and the lab's basically going to consist of driving and operating the equipment. And for what I want to do right now is just kind of go over the Blackboard assignments. We will discuss a little bit more on Wednesday, the course syllabus, and complete the course entry assignment. If you do not complete it before then, I would love to see each and every one of you go ahead and complete the course entry assignment. That way we can jump out outside and go ahead and start operating equipment. That's the idea of this course, is to complete the Blackboard assignments prior to class on Wednesday, and then you'll take a quiz that is due every Sunday night after you've ridden the equipment. So what I want you to do is go ahead and open up Blackboard. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen really quick. So let's find it right here. And I am sharing the screen right now. As you can see in Blackboard, HOR 118-920K 2021 summer. The 920 stands for a hybrid class, and the K represents that this course will be completed in 8 weeks. But if you click start here, once you get into Blackboard, you'll see the course entry assignment must be completed by Thursday, May 20th, 2021 at 11:59 p.m. So I'm giving you to midnight to complete the course entry assignment. We will check first thing Wednesday morning. If you have not done that, you need to do that right away as soon as we get to class. So if you don't complete the course entry assignment and show up for class this Wednesday, we will have to record you as a no-show, and I don't like doing that. But as you can see, we've got the course divided into 8 weeks. So week 1, week 2, week 3, don't pay attention to the bottom there. That's information for myself right there. But in week 1, we're going to have our introduction to the course, and we are going to learn how to operate and drive the John Deere Gator. Now, a lot of these equipment you will be using in your other classes, and that's why we're going to go ahead and get the Gator out of the way. That way you can use it for mulching and using the work in your fruits and vegetable class to work in the garden. So we're just going to click on week 1. And as you're going to see, there is a quiz. It'll be available Monday morning, 8 a.m., but it'll be due Sunday night. I prefer you take the quiz after you've operated the equipment. It's just going to make the quiz a lot easier. And I may make a decision to make them only available after the lab. So that may be the thing to do. That still gives you 5 days to complete it because they're due every Sunday night at midnight. And then you'll see the topic. This lesson will introduce you to the course and prepare you to operate the John Deere Gator. You've got week 1 objectives. Upon completion of this lesson, you'll navigate the Blackboard course, understand the expectation of the instructor, and then safely operate the John Deere Gator with and without the trailer. And then you'll see a utility vehicle safety lecture. Then there is a link on the John Deere utility vehicles. Then there's the safety policy. Then there is the John Deere manual. And then there's a couple of YouTube videos here on the Gator. And so you'll watch this information, and you need to really watch this information prior to coming to class, because a lot of it will already be, you'll already have learned it. You'll know how to turn the Gator on. You'll know how to turn, you'll know where the light switch are. I mean, this basically goes over everything on operating the Gator. Now, there is one thing that I need to stress to you all. There will be absolutely no open-toed shoes in this class. I'm not requiring steel toes, but I am requiring closed toes. If you show up in flip-flops or sandals or anything that's unsafe, you know, you're just not going to be able to operate the equipment, and you're not going to get credit for the lab. You must protect your feet. We're operating some dangerous equipment, and you don't need to have open-toed shoes. I also recommend wearing long pants and a long sleeve shirt to avoid exposure to the sun. A lot of you know me already. I always wear long sleeve shirts and pants, especially when operating equipment. So, this is for week 1. I do want you to go ahead and read your course syllabus and read your assignment schedule. Go ahead and print these out and bring those to class on Wednesday. That way, if you have any questions, we can answer those very, very quickly. Here's a link to the Universal Course Policies and Procedures. And then the school adds this information, how this course works. So just some good information on pretty much every Blackboard course that you will have. If you need to get in touch with me, there is instructor contact. There's my email, office phone, my office location, my office hours, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, 8 to 9 via Teams, and then on Wednesday right after class. And please note, you must use your Forsyth Tech email address for all school business. I sometimes can't open Hotmail, Yahoo, or even Gmail emails. So you would need to email me from your Forsyth Tech email address. And if you send me an email from Blackboard, please note that the response will go to your Forsyth Tech email. So you'll need to check it via TechLink instead of coming back to Blackboard. If there's any announcements for the course, you'll see it. Here is, the welcome message for the course. And then your course entry assignment is a reminder that it is due Thursday, May 20th at midnight. But hopefully you all will have it done prior to coming to class on Wednesday. That way we can get out and drive the John Deere Gator. So if there's not any questions, and if there are, please email them or call me, and we will answer those fairly quickly. I do check my email every day. There is a time, late evening, early afternoon, or late afternoon, early evenings, that I will check my email and respond to you. I mean, if you email me at 9 or 10 o'clock at night, it's probably going to be the next day that I respond. And same thing with voicemail. If you leave me a voice message on the 336-734-7404 number, I will get an email notification on that, and I will call you back the next day if it's late evenings. So just note that every Sunday you will have a quiz due at midnight, even on July 4th. So the idea is to go ahead and knock that one out fairly quickly. So anyway, guys, I will see you Wednesday morning for lab, and I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you.